Hello, super learners! Get ready for the amazing letter A. The letter A makes the sound ah. A says ah. A says ah like in the word apple. A says ah like in the word ant. A says ah like in the word alligator. A is also for airplane. Whoosh! Wow! You found all the A words. Apple, ant, alligator, airplane. Great job, super learners! Let's get ready for the next letter. Get ready for the amazing letter B. The letter B makes the sound B. Let's say it together. B says B. B says B as in balloon. B says B as in bird. B says B as in butterfly. B is for banana. Yummy! Wow! You found all the words that start with the letter B. Balloon, bird, butterfly, banana. Great job, super learners! Get ready for the amazing letter. The letter C. What sound does C make? C says K, as in cat. C says K, as in cup. C says K, as in cake. Yummy! C is for car. Vroom, vroom. Wow! You found all the words for the letter C. Cat, cup, cake, car. Great job! Let's learn the next letter. Get ready for the amazing letter D. What sound does D make? D says duh. D says duh as in dog. D says duh as in duck. D says duh as in drum. Boom, boom. D is for donut. Yummy! Wow! You found all the words for the letter D. Dog, duck, drum, donut. Great job! Let's learn the next letter. Get ready for the amazing letter E. What sound does E make? E says eh. E says eh as in egg. E says eh as in elephant. E says eh as in engine. E is for ear. Wow! You found all the words for the letter E. Egg, elephant, engine, ear. Great job! Let's learn the next letter.